Last day namin dito sa Pangasinan. May nagpapablog. Meron akong tito daw na pumunta rito. At gusto daw mag-exhibition. Ipapakita daw kay Sumit. So, ibablog daw natin dito sa harap. Sumit, you ready? Uncle's here. Yeah. Uncle, pakita nyo nga daw po sa kanya. Ano daw po yung ano nyo?
Ito. Yung kristal ni Magellan nung unang panahon.
Oh.
Yung kinalaban niya si Lapu-Lapu.
You wanna check? You wanna check it?
Hindi lang ito ang alam kong exhibition. Marunong ako sa arnes, karate. Yakaw.
Karate. Kuya, your turn, kuya.
Yung pikluan ng kamay.
Stay here. Stay here.
Mo,
Don't be scared. Natatakot si Sumit.
Nakaya ko yung blindfold.
Blindfold pa. He's gonna go.
Hey! Big coffee!
Hindi ka mamatay.
He's gonna go blindfolded and then he's gonna do the exhibition. Why are you so scared?
Ada ito ko chay.
Apa?
Kita mo na daputong na.
Ag-iisip ka yung tati, Pep.
Awan, diyan ako tayo. Kita mo na daputong na.
There's no hole. He's asking.
No cheating.
He's gonna measure first. Make sure that he doesn't hit anything.
Oh.
You stay there.
Please don't hit me. No.
Sige na.
Ito, kasi na Bruce Lee ano.
Why so far away, Sumit? Why you're so far away?
Para hindi ka matatakot sa akin.
Hala. Hala. Ooh.
Gagara. Tama mo ka? Amok kaya na. Hindi madaris kira siya tas siya ka.
Hey!
Sumit.
Oh. Ba? Oh.
Ang galing.
Ay,
Nice.
alaala ka na. May memory ka na sa dito sa Pilipinas.
Now you have something to remember in the Philippines. The sword? Oh my god, that's dangerous.
Ay, huhulihin ako dito.
Scary.
You got scared?
Gusto mong pagbalik na rin ko yung tsako at saka sword?
Paano? Ay.
Diyan ka nabibilib sa akin. Kaya kong pagpalitay ng tsako at saka sword. Kasi parang hinukot ng goren.
Hala, hala. Sumit, Sumit. Sumit. Oh my god. Oh, oh.
It's sharp.
Yeah, it's sharp. Be careful. Nice.
Yan naman. Isang.
Yung sword daw ho. Patingin ho. Is it sharp? Is it sharp? Uncle, pahawak nga po kung matulis. Ay, matalis nga. Totoo siya. Ala, ala.
Kailang pinagpala kung ako ang maghawak, mabait ako.
Apo.
Kung ibang tao, salbahe, papatayin niya ako, paputulan niya ang ulo.
Apo, apo.
It's good.
Ito, gamit ng muro ito, galing sa Mindanao.
Ay.
Pinili ko 1,000.
It's from Mindanao.
Ah,
1,000 peso.
nice. Good performance.
Kuboy. Ang dapat niya kakuboy ang yung blanda.
Apo. Nag-viral po?
Nag-viral, Dusmel.
Ay.
Ay, ngayon, siya na nagpapasasa yung buwan. Pero hindi ako pinatikman, hindi kaya nakakarma.
Ay.
Ay, sabi ko, bago kuha yung palaraw ko,
Haha.
makatikim ka ng sagana ngayon.
Apo.
Darating araw, babagsak ka rin, sabi ko.
Apo, apo.
Naghirap. Kayo nagpasasa.
Papa, your turn.
Someone vlogged him before, he said, and then it got a lot of views.
Ah, nice. Papa, your turn.
Pa, ikaw naman daw pa. Exhibition ka din. Yeah.
Takot si Bayaw, tinuturuan mo nga.
Papa's turn.
Yeah, he's gonna flip the bottles. Like that.
Alam mo, yan.
Bottles.
Pag nagkamali ka pamangkin dito, ikaw
Apa.
matatamaan.
Apa.
Kaya dito dadaan sa dulo, yung tsakaw.
Ano ba ba tsako?
Ito, ang Chaco.
Ah, yan po ang Chaco.
Gamit name Bruce Lee.
Oh, it's called Chaco.
Bruce
I
Lee.
didn't know.
Nung panahon, kaya ginaya ko. Hanggang na-master ka, wala akong nagturo sa akin.
So, we try this one. Can you try? Patry nga po sa kanya.
Oh, really?
Just, sige na, just try. Give me the phone.
Dahan-dahan na nga, baka mampas ka eh, mapirayan ka. Kung nag-intindi ka ng Tagalog.
Nice. Kuya,
Just be careful, ha?
come here.
Kuya, liga rito.
I'm gonna hit you.
Ganito na eh. This, like this.
He's gonna teach you. Come closer.
Oh.
Pag gano'n yung kamay mo, para hindi mampas. Pag gano'n. Kasi kung i-straight, hampasin niya to.
Apo. Oh, you try that.
Oo.
The basic
Kaya mo
one.
rin. Slow.
So this side.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oh!
Hagipin mo ah.
Yeah.
You have to catch it.
Ice cream yummy.
You have.
Ice cream good.
Oh, the other side na. The other side.
Para makita ka yung...
This side.
Yeah.
Oh!
Timing ka dito.
He hit his head.
Kasi...
One more time.
Yung cuts, tingnan mo. Nakapikit ako na eh.
This side.
Oo, nakapikit na ako ah. Bate, kakakaya ko. Nakapikit na ako eh.
Submit, you try na.
Bakit na nakakaya ko? Gawain ng mukha dito, instructor.
Aha.
Okay.
Submit, try it.
Kahit na dumaan, maglakad pa ako ah.
Be careful, maybe you hit your head.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Walang dahan-dahan. Slow.
So from here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Then touch
Habitin mo
here.
to. Oh, yeah.
Oh! One more.
Slow lang.
Wow!
And then,
Kuya.
Another one. Oh!
Not bad. I'm almost there.
Oh!
Come here.
Tayo ka lang dyan.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad. Oh, no, the sword. Sword.
Oh, kaya na na eh. Basta dahan-dahan.
Oh no.
Basta may instructor ka.
Yeah.
Oh, dahan-dahan. Yan. Yung pastor to.
Faster.
Oh,
Faster.
Faster. Please.
Bilis.
yan.
Oh.
Uy.
Yeah, it's working. It's satisfying. Fast.
Oh, si Bruce Lee ka lang.
Fast.
yeah, other side. No, not
Oh.
that, not that.
Kaya mas mabilis kung gano'n
Left
sa
side,
listo.
yeah.
Yung pass.
Oh, yeah.
I will hit
You
my
cuts.
ananas. No,
Oh,
I don't want.
yung pass.
Uy, babe.
It's painful?
Yung pass niya.
Oh, it's what? Kuya, your turn.
Ito, galing ko sa Mindanao ito. Gamit ng mga moro. Hindi lang.
I take the sword and I go and clean the grass.
Ay,
Alam, your...
magagapas daw muna siya.
Huli nito.
Ano pa?
Huliin.
Hulihan. They're gonna catch you if you go out.
Alam mo, mga Muslim ng ulo.
Oh,
Apa.
they're gonna catch you?
I don't know.
Yung
That's what he
head.
that's what they use it for in Mindanao. To cut someone's head.
Oh my God.
Yung mga military. Inalis ito, lalo yung mga matatas ng rangkaw.
Apo.
Pinuputo ng ulo.
Dirty.
You're there.
Yan, lalo pa ang pasikitin pamangkin.
Apa.
Dadalhin mo na sa Karaayekag.
Aha.
He's very talented.
Yeah.
Mayroon pa ang gagawin ko sana, Arnes, kung nadalakaw.
Apa.
Yung tatlo, paikutin ko. Tatlo yun. Ay, para yung kaya ni Jackie Chan, kaya ko rin. Mamapas sa tadyak.
Aha.
Kasi mas magaan kasing ganitong katawan kaysa dyan na eh.
Apa.
Hindi pwede kasi pang martial arts ng ganitong katawan. Pang bodybuilder.
You have a bodybuilder's body.
Bodybuilder.
I like this. I like this.
Ito.
It's good. It looks good.
Oo. Galing sa Mindanao yan.
Oh,
Pag tinusok mo sa kanyan, warp na ang bito ka.
yeah. Your arm.
No.
Your arm.
Huwag mong paglawan yan.
You still have another.
Don't play with it. He said, don't play.
Magpicture ka lang. Picture
Yeah.
lang. Para sa
You want picture?
Picture mo lang. Para may souvenir. Nag-viral ka to kita.
See?
Nag-viral yan. Nag-viral
Yeah.
yan na yun.
Nagbebenta?
Your favorite.
Ay, may masarap.
They're selling.
Ah, selling pa lang. Okay.
Magkano kilo niyan?
550 ma'am.
Ang alin dyan?
Isang kilo.
Saan dyan?
Yung
Tilapia.
Ang hipon daw, 550.
Malalaki naman
dead,
eh.
right?
Isang dilaw. Kaya lang kunti lang ang piraso yung isang dilaw.
Oh, marami naman sir.
Meron na Awanan
Ano na?
makapabject si Marcel Asa siya ang ibigan.
All of them.
Oo, I think so.
Ay, pa-vlog ko yun.
Patay na daw sila lahat?
Vlog. Wala tang sumika talagang tingin
Patay na. It's dead na ba, gang?
Ay, video ko.
Mama, nagbebenta daw dito ng hipon.
Nakapiring di mo na. Narinig ang laro natin ba raw? Pakila na to.
Buy one, get one free.
How much?
Buy one, get one free.
How much?
Ito 550 daw.
550 kilo?
Ayos ba?
Nalabahan din na ukyang. Dati awag mo ito ba lang? Nagtakang ka sa ukyang?
Yeah.
Expensive.
Ah.
Maybe 450. Ken.
Sa mga naghahanap na viewers namin kay Tatang, ito po si Tatang.
Still malakas. Tulog na siya kasi nagpunta na siya sa bukid. Galing siya sa bukid, nagpa-araw.
He came from the farm to get some
Oh, really?
sunlight.
This morning.
Nice.
Early.
Nice. Good job, Tatang.
He doesn't hear you.
Oh, no?
Cannot hear anymore.
Look at this. He's
Cannot
trying.
use his
trying to walk.
eyes and ears and the mouth and the nose.
No more. Yeah. Naramdaman niya pa naman, Mama.
Oh. Magre-react naman yan eh.
He can feel, right?
Yes.
Tatang.
Malakas pa rin naman. He can go to the washroom by himself.
Yeah. Oh.
Kaya, he can walk. He cannot see, but then he can go by himself.
He's moving.
He-
Oh, no more? He can feel, right?
Yeah, he can. Don't tickle later. He's gonna kick you.
Tatang, sorry, Tatang.
Yeah.
Don't scold me.
Mama just finished feeding Tatang. Before, when we were here, he still liked to watch movies. Every afternoon, like, he's gonna be sitting there and then he would play an old movie and then he would watch. But now, because he can't see anymore, yeah. So he just like to stay here. But then, he still can walk. He can go to the washroom. Last time, he likes visiting the farm. Now, not anymore.
Not anymore.
But he still goes there to get some sunlight. Yeah. Yeah, he's sleeping. He just likes to stay in bed now.
Favorite.
Kang, ano yan?
Leafy vegetables.
Ano yun?
Sitaw.
Ah, sitaw?
At talbos na talbos na sitaw. At saka ito sili. Dahon sili. Yeah, it's chili. Yeah.
Free chili.
It's, ano na yun? Sprout? Chili sprout?
Sprout?
Baby leaves. Ano ba yun?
Good for
Talbos.
health. Good for health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May naglalako kasi ng isda. Inang? At taps nga pala. Galing ni Inang, oh. Yeah, taps pala.
Kamuti tops. Ampalaya tops.
Good for health.
The new leaves, the soft ones. Yeah,
The baby ones.
the baby ones. Hindi ko kasi ma-explain yung ano, talbos.
Tops. It's the young leaves. Is the
The young
talbos.
leaves. Yeah. Do you eat that in India? You don't eat grass, no?
No.
You're not a goat. You're not a meme.
Oh wow, it's shiny now.
Hello po.
Let's see her.
You wanna check? Oh, sige.
This is. Let's check her secret department.
What?
What she has. secret department.
Gusto daw ano daw benta? Gusto daw makita ni Sumit yung benta.
Yan yung benta.
Kita ang mga pag-yakong.
Gusto daw pong makita.
Ito sa kayong kwan. Ang palaya.
Oh.
Hello po.
This is bitter melon tops. And ano po to?
Pamutilin.
Oh, kamote. As
That's
Ito naman, ang palaya rin.
yeah, root crop kamote. Bitter gourd leaves. Yeah. Okay? Okay na?
Kala ko kung Pilipino pa kanina. Wala.
Oh, she thought you're a Filipino.
Oh yeah, I am. I'm Filipino.
Half.
Half Filipino now.
Yung meron na Pilipinas.
Bibidyoan ko pa yung mga paninda eh.
Ante! Meron pa isang foreigner eh. Foreigner na hindi pa nakakakita ng mga talbos.
Filipino.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
A Filipino.
Half.
I was looking for good stuff.
Oh, good stuff.
Good stuff. Do you have anything? A good stuff? A good one?
Good stuff. Siraul si Kuya, loko-loko.
But it's too young.
Too young?
It's not right. Yeah.
Luto na ang aming breakfast. Meron kaming corned beef,
Yeah.
fried egg,
This one is good.
hot dog, and ano to?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Patola.
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 Yeah.
Patola is chick in my language.
Oh, nice.
Patola, chicks.
Patola.
Chicks.
Here in my language, patola means you always believe what they say.
Are you a patola?
You're patola.